Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add another iCloud account on iPhone. So, adding another iCloud account to your iPhone is useful for managing multiple Apple IDs or sharing content across accounts. So, firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now, inside Settings, all you have to do is tap on your name at the top, then simply scroll down. Then tap on the sign out option available there and sign out of your current Apple ID. Then during the sign out, the phone will ask you for your Apple ID password. Simply tap on it, enter the Apple ID password, tap on the turn off option available there and log out of this Apple ID. So now, once you have logged out, you'll be navigated to settings again, and there you can see Apple account option available at the top. Tap on it and you'll be navigated to Apple ID settings where you can sign in to your new Apple ID. Now simply tap on the sign in manually option available there. Now, once you tap on the sign in manually, you will have to enter your Apple ID account, email address, and password and log into your Apple ID. Then again, sign out if necessary to log into another one. So that is how you can switch account on your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.